Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're counting down 5 impressive countertop steam ovens and smart cooking appliances designed to bring versatility, precision, and convenience to your kitchen. From steam cooking and air frying to app-connected smart controls, these appliances pack a lot of functionality into a compact footprint. Let's get started. Number 5. ROBAM R-Box Pro. The ROBAM R-Box Pro is a powerful 1,800-watt combi steam oven built to handle a wide variety of cooking tasks in one appliance. It features a spacious 30-liter capacity that can accommodate a whole 6-pound chicken, making it suitable for family meals. Its steam fry technology combines steam and air frying to help create crispy exteriors while maintaining moisture inside. The oven offers more than 15 cooking functions, including steam, bake, broil, air fry, ferment, and defrost. Independent upper and lower temperature controls provide additional flexibility, while the external water tank supports extended steam sessions. A blue enamel interior helps simplify cleanup, and 32 built-in recipes make cooking easier for beginners and experienced home chefs alike. Number 4. SMEG CSO-300N1. The SMEG blends classic retro styling with modern cooking technology. This 30-liter countertop oven features 10 cooking modes, including steam, convection baking, grilling, air frying, and combination steam cooking. Powered by an 1,800-watt heating system, it utilizes Galileo multi-cooking technology to optimize airflow and cooking consistency across multiple rack levels. Users can access 33 automatic recipes through the color LCD display, while the removable water tank supports steam-based cooking functions. The oven reaches temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and includes accessories such as grill racks, baking trays, and a perforated steam tray for added versatility. Number 3. KitchenAid Dual Convection Oven. The KitchenAid Dual Convection Oven is designed to bring full-size oven performance to the countertop. Equipped with even heat dual convection technology, it circulates hot air efficiently for consistent baking, roasting, and air frying results. A built-in temperature probe monitors food internally, helping users achieve accurate cooking temperatures. The spacious interior can fit a standard 9 by 13-inch baking pan or multiple large dishes at once. With 12 preset cooking functions, including air fry, pizza, dehydrate, and dough proofing, it offers flexibility for a variety of recipes. Fast preheating and a non-stick interior further enhance everyday convenience. Number 2. Cuisinart CSO-300N1. The Cuisinart combines steam cooking and convection baking in a compact design. Powered by 1,800 watts, this oven features a removable water reservoir capable of delivering up to 120 minutes of continuous steam. It supports functions such as steam bake, steam broil, convection bake, bread proofing, toasting, and traditional steaming. The oven can accommodate a pizza, a large chicken, or a variety of baked goods while helping foods retain moisture and nutrients. A dedicated steam clean function assists with maintenance, and its simple control layout makes operation straightforward for daily use. Number 1. Chef IQ MiniOven. The Chef IQ MiniOven brings smart technology and high-performance convection cooking together in a sleek countertop appliance. Featuring a powerful 3,200 RPM DC motor and 6 heating elements, it delivers rapid airflow and temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The 25-quart capacity can fit a 13-inch pizza or a 9 by 13-inch baking pan, while 11 cooking functions include air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, proof, and slow cook. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows users to access guided recipes, monitor cooking progress remotely, and customize presets through the Chef IQ app. Additional highlights include a responsive touchscreen, built-in speaker alerts, smart rack position indicators, and a soft close door for a premium user experience. That wraps up our list of 5 impressive countertop steam ovens and smart cooking appliances. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and product roundups. See you in the next video.